My name is Judith Obina Okumu, Private Secretary to the President of the Republic of Uganda, in charge of political affairs. And I'm CEO and President of the Judith Obina Foundation, Keeping the Peace. I would like to greet all the listeners. Today, I would like to thank God very much for preserving us and keeping us alive through the year 2024, and to continue to pray for God's protection through the coming year. And we would like to thank God so much for taking care of all of us until now. I would like to send my warm regards to all Ugandans upon the new year 2025 and wish all a prosperous 2025 full of hard work and government support from all the people of Uganda for this country. Particularly, I send my warm greetings to the people of the Acholi sub-region, especially my people of Gulu City. Warm regards and greetings to all the roadies of Acholi, all the religious leaders, the business fraternity, all my brothers in the border groups. I would also like to send my warm regards to the elderly people in Gulu City, all the market vendors in all the major markets of Gulu City. That's the main market, the market at Chereleno, Lacho, Laibi, Ulailong, Chuktol, and all the markets in Gulu City. I would also like to send warm regards to all the truck drivers, the special hire drivers, all the small-scale business people in Gulu City in their different capacities, all the Bolchup groups and all women groups, and all the mothers of Acholi land and Gulu City. We would also like to extend warm greetings to the youth, the disabled, all the churches, leaders in Gulu City, Catholic Church, the Church of Uganda, the Muslim fraternity, the Balokole churches or the born-again churches. And I'd like to wish you very warm 2025 as we end the year 2024. My message to the people of Gulu City is for us to embrace government programs in the year 2025, work with government to restore peace and development in Acholi land. I would like to preach the message of unity to the people of Acholi, of course coming from the background that I am a peace initiator. I am a person who loves peace. The reason I went to Garamba, which I shared with you much earlier, and today I come back with the same message for peace. I call upon our people in Acholi sub-region to embrace government and government programs to enable our people benefit and change lives in the communities. There are many government programs that I would like to advocate for that I already started doing in this year, which I hope to continue with in the year 2025. I would like to implore the people of Acholi sub-region to embrace government programs like Parish Development Model, the Emyoga. We would like to get back to the gardens. We would like to get back to production through the Operation Wealth Creation. The youth livelihood programs for the youth would like to cultivate more effort for the youth to access these programs from government. Would like to coordinate groups like the PWDs with government programs. We would like to say you're not forgotten because government has special programs for special interest groups that I know that we will be working out with all of you in PWDs in the year 2025. For the women folks, I'd like to interest you in the WEP programs that government is giving, through which women are getting loans. We would also like to talk more about the GROW loans, which we are going to popularize. And we will also be bringing to you partners who will be able to work hand in hand with government through the Judith Obina Foundation to bring more supports in terms of cheaper loans. Thank you so much for all the support that you gave when we initiated the marathon in 2024 on the 30th of November, and the great support that I received from everybody. I'd like to upload the UPDF that also fought for peace that now we are enjoying in Acholi sub-region through giving us water, which was very refreshing when we did the marathon. I would like to also thank every other person who sponsored our program and stood with the Judith Obina Foundation to reach out in terms of scholarships, in terms of all the facilities that we will be offering to the people of Acholi sub-region, even in the year 2025. This is now to say we shall be with you to mobilize actively the communities in terms of water outreach, in terms of health and HIV advocacy. We will be reaching out in terms of grants that we will reach to the public, and we will be very active in community service come the year 2025. I want to implore all of us in Acholi sub-region to give our full support to the most able leader that we have, not only in Uganda, but in the whole of Africa and the whole world. His Excellency President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. I call out actively to all of us in Acholi sub-region to give without reservation our full support, as in 100%.